What's this? A boring frozen cheese pizza? I think this needs something. This needs pizzazz. Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good. Yeah!
We're gonna turn this into a bulgogi pizza. I just love bulgogi, so we're gonna start just by par baking this pizza for about 10 minutes. I have some shaved beef here. Let's cook it up. I'm gonna cook it in some bulgogi sauce. It's par baked. Now let's add on that beef. I'm gonna add on some pickled red onions. Let's cover it in mozzarella cheese, and then we're gonna bake it for about 8 more minutes. I'm gonna make a drizzle with some gochujang sauce and mayonnaise. Mix it up. Let's put on that drizzle. And some green onions. Let's get slicing. Bulgogi pizza. Here we go. Anything bulgogi makes me super happy, and this is phenomenal. Wow, I just love that sauce flavor. And I'm gonna give it a high score. 8.9 out of 10. What do you call a monster with a high IQ? Frank Einstein.